Living the Fine Life.
And today we're at Southern Hills Farm, guys, in Clermont, Florida. Come tag along with us. We're gonna share with you our day today.
This corn for you, corn with butter, and a garden salad for you.
Look at that.
So, and some fries. So, it's very light. It's not like overbearing.
Hey guys, so we are here at Southern Hills Farms. We're taking a lunch break. Prices aren't bad. We're having some lunch. I'm having a salad with corn. As you saw in the previous clip, Shanine's having a burger. And okay. Apparently Shanine's really into it. So if you guys are familiar with the Arnold Palmer, it's like the sweet tea and lemonade mixed together into a drink. But here at Southern Hills Farms, they have a similar drink to Arnold Palmer. It's sweet tea lemonade, but then it has blueberries, and it's called the David Hills, which is named after the owner. So let's give it a try. It's really good. It's really light. It's very refreshing, and it tastes really good. So. Okay, but I've been waiting to come to this place for such a long time, and it is my treat day. It's been 2 weeks and I haven't had like no sugars, so I finally got to try their apple cider donuts, and it's so good. It's so soft and it's not too sweet. It doesn't feel too sugary, and it has a distinguished like flavor. It's so good, guys. Like, if you ever come here, you want to try their apple cider donuts. They're made here at the farm, from what we're told, and it's really good, right? Shaheen's like, oh my god, this is so good. We gotta bring some for your mom. Definitely. I feel like I'm doing something really bad having this donut, but it's so good at the same time.
It's so tender, sweet. It's not like over sweet. It's very soft. This is really good. A really good donut. And you don't taste like the apple cider at all.
Right?